Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the fuses and the relay for the dynamic drive are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays for dynamic drive on that BMW, we will demonstrate on that BMW X3 X4, which is known as generation F25 for X3 and F26 for X4. What you guys need to do for the dynamic drive, you need to open the passenger door and you need to open the glove box. Empty the content of the glove box. Behind it, on the right side, you have a cover. You have one notch here, press down, pull that cover out. Behind that, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. Here guys, 4 fuses will need to be checked. We'll talk about the relay in a little bit as well. But the fuses that you will guys first need to check, one of them is known as fuse number 34 guys. So if you come in that row of fuses here, 34 will be that 5 amp fuse right there, the second one from the relay up. Then you need to check fuse number 37. 37 guys, okay, we're talking about this fuse right here. After that, we need to locate fuse number 45. So here, okay, we're having 43, 44, 45. Some of you may or may not have this one depending on the option package. Then you need to check fuse number 47. So that was 45, 46, 47, that one here. You have only a couple relays, but none of those are for the dynamic drive guys. Now, there are some different relays, sometimes hidden in the trunk on the right side by the fuse box. Sometimes behind the glove box you may have an extra relay, but not for the dynamic drive usually. These fuses that we mentioned, they're known as relay fuses, so those will be the ones guys that you will need to check. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.